Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 20th of October 2014 market review. The trade for today will be called Growth Point. Code GRT. Last traded price was 24.26. The action will be a long, so the objective is to buy from a low level to a high level. Entry level will be 24.07. That's on the dotted blue line. And the target will be the green line of 25.47. Stop loss to be used is 23.51 on the red line here. Open trades: SPAR, African Rainbow Minerals, First Rand and CFR. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares on the JSE. The blue line is the index movement. Currently they broke the 5-day moving average upwards as well as the 20-day moving average upwards. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials, just to give you clarification, what happened here is the index came down a lot, testing this low close to 16,102 points. Friday evening, they actually closed a bit higher, almost 263 points higher to the red line here. And that level is 16,427 points. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, tested this Fibonacci of 61.8% on 16,102 points, went high above the level of 16,324 points, and the red line is indicating 16,427 points. Currently the futures is about 70.76 points higher. Asian markets are a lot higher this morning, especially the Nikkei, almost 3% higher. But the average on the other markets is about 0.6, 0.7% higher for opening this early morning. So we need to track this market closely. Still 63% of all this Standard & Poor's 500 companies that brought out results met expectations on the earnings reports that came out on the different companies. Looking at the J200, tested at 61.8% on the Fibonacci, and that level was 41,754 points. Currently broke up and it closed on a level of 42,760 points. Currently we could expect a bit of an opening of almost 300 points stronger this morning. It's close to this level here. The big question is, still in the downward channel between the green and the purple on the Bollinger Bands. It needs to break plus minus at 43,500 to see a better reversal upwards. So we could expect to the 43,000, 43,100 levels in early trade this morning. But keep our eye on this 43,500 level. Could bounce, come back again, just a small recovering. Or otherwise breaking up, break this 43,760,000 points, and then a nice recovering happens. So there's a 50-50 option here. Track the news in the markets very closely, especially Tuesday China data that will have an effect on the markets. That is for tomorrow morning. Looking at some shares in the market, Shoprite bounce on the bottom here, close to the level of 159, trading at 137.27. If it needs to break 139, 140 needs to be broken to go back to this 143 level here. Currently trading at 137.27. Take note. Mr. Price can also a bit of break up. Still in this downward channel here. Green line to be tested here is close to the 205, 207 level. If it's broken, new highs could follow, but still in a downward channel between the green, the purple and the red line, as you can see here. Willys still trading between the green and the purple on a downward pattern. Did get a bit of support here on the 61.8% on the Fibonacci. Great support levels of 68.45. Big question is currently trading at 70 bucks, 70 rand. Level to be broken is above the 71.50 levels. This is currently in a sideways pattern. Highs, lows. If this 72 rand level could be broken, next high of expectation is about 74.23. That's on the high there. So let's see how it plays out today. Big price gaps could be expected. Looking at your telecommunications, MTN came down, got a lot of support on the 61.8% on a level of 233 Rand. Current Bollinger Band is the green line here, close to the 240 level, currently trading at 236.70. If broken, new highs could be formed or positive movements, but as you can see, there's a bit of a sideways pattern here. Vodacom still in a downward spiral or channel, and as you can see, close to the 61.8% of 125.35, currently trading at 126.70. Level to be broken is about here 128. If broken, back to the 150 levels. So it's a small, very small range that could happen here, but still in a downward channel here. Barclays Bank, green, purple, sideways. As you can see, there's a lot of support here, close to the 154 levels. Needs to break this green and this high here, and that is 158, 159 to go higher, but still in a downward pattern. Standard Bank, beautiful downward channel, getting support on the 61.8%, 127.44. Needs to break this 150, 151 levels if it needs to go higher, and this level here is 151.66. So it's actually saying break 131.66, and you can go back to the 135, 137 levels, but still in a downward channel. Imperial started to move up nicely, and as you can see, this is what you want to expect from the other shares that we've just explained. Support, there's resistance, broke it, so low, high, low, high, low. Now this one could open higher this morning. Currently closes 178.40, and the high to be tested is about 183.64. That's on the red line here. That's the kind of pattern you would look into the other shares that we've discussed to see if there's going to be an upward movement happening. But this share formed it first. We need to see if this could last in the markets. Traders, enjoy your day, and let's see how the week will play out.